Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Your living room is the heart of your home. It's where you gather with family, welcome guests, or simply curl up with a good book. But here's the truth. Even the coziest living rooms can feel off if you've fallen into a few common decorating traps. In today's video, I'll walk you through 10 living room decorating mistakes that so many of us, including me, make without realizing it. And of course, I'll share the easy fixes that will make your space feel more inviting, stylish, and comfortable again. So grab a cup of tea and let's get started. Mistake number 1. Pushing all the furniture against the walls. This one is so common, and I've done it myself in the past. The instinct is to push your sofa and chairs back as far as possible to open up your room. But what actually happens is you end up with a big empty void in the middle and space that feels disconnected and disjointed. To fix it, try floating your furniture inward. Move the sofa away from the wall by even just 12 inches. Create a conversation zone with a rug, a coffee table, and chairs facing each other. It instantly feels cozier and more intentional. Mistake number 2. Using only oversized furniture. A giant sectional, an oversized ottoman, huge end tables. It all sounds comfy, but too many bulky pieces will make your space feel heavy and cramped. How to fix it? Mix it up. Anchor the room with a large piece like sofa, but balance it with lighter chairs or slim side table. The mix-up scale keeps the room comfortable without being overwhelming. Mistake number 3, rugs that are too small. I see this all the time, and I've done it in the past. Small rugs are one of the fastest ways to make a room feel unfinished. I know it's tempting to buy a 5x7 because it's less expensive, but it almost always looks like a postage stamp under your sofa. How to fix it? In your living room, go for a rug large enough that at least the front legs of your major furniture pieces sit on it. An 8x10 or larger is usually the right choice. It instantly grounds the space and pulls everything together. Mistake number 4. Relying on a single overhead light. Lighting is everything, and yet so many living rooms rely on just one ceiling light. That creates harsh shadows and zero atmosphere. How to fix it? Layer your lighting. Add a floor lamp in a dark corner, table lamps beside your sofa, and even accent lighting on a shelf. Multiple sources of light make the room feel inviting, especially in the evening. Mistake number 5. Making the TV the only focal point. I get it. Most of us have a TV in our living room. I don't. But it's the only thing your eye is drawn to. The room can feel more like a media center than a home. To fix it, balance it. You can mount the TV above a fireplace, surround it with a gallery wall, or add built-ins that mix books and decor with the screen. That way, the TV is there, but it's not the only star of the show. Mistake number 6. Too many tiny accessories. Lots of little trinkets scattered on every surface creates clutter instead of style. How to fix it? Edit down the group thoughtfully. Use the rule of 3. Group items in odd numbers. Vary the height and mix textures. A tray with a candle, a small plant, and a decorative object looks chic without feeling crowded. Mistake number 7, neglecting window treatments. Bare windows or short curtains can make your room feel unfinished. How to fix it? Hang your curtains high and wide. Mount the rod closer to the ceiling and extend it past the window frame. This makes your window look bigger and your ceilings taller. It's an instant upgrade. Mistake 8, forgetting personal touches. Sometimes we get so focused on making things look like a magazine that the room ends up feeling a little cold. How to fix it? Add personality. Display a few framed family photos or even your favorite books. Those personal touches make the room feel like you live there, not just a furniture catalog. 9, matching everything too perfectly. Buying the full living room set, sofa, love seat, coffee table, all from the same collection might seem easy, but it often makes the room look flat and dated. How to fix it? Mix it up. Pair a linen sofa with a leather chair. Mix wood tones and bring in different textures, like metal or glass. Variety adds depth and interest. Try it. Mistake number 10, ignoring traffic flow. A beautiful living room still needs to function. If people have to squeeze between the sofa and the coffee table, or there's no clear walkway, the space feels uncomfortable. How to fix it? Always leave at least 3 feet of walking space in main pathways. Arrange your furniture so people can move around without obstacles. It makes the whole room feel calmer and more welcoming. And there you have it, 10 common living room decorating mistakes that are easy to make, but just as easy to fix. The good news is that even changing 1 or 2 of these things can completely transform how your living room looks and feels. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these mistakes do you think you might be making in your own home? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Thanks for watching. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. With your help, we can do it. We've been doing it. Thank you so much for watching and taking the time to watch my video. See you on the next one. Bye.